So now let's see how we can work around with text warp effect inside of Pixlr Designer. So over here, if I were to go around and click on text right here, then you can see that this is what you have. So I'm going to go around under text right here and type in welcome to tutor 2 right here. So I cannot see the text, so I'm just going to go around onto the fill color and choose a color just like this. Once I do that, if I were to scroll down, then you can see that warp is an effect right here. So if I were to enable out warp, nothing actually happens right now. But if I were to go around and change around the edge size, the center size, now you can see that it warps out right here. And you can see that it squeezes around the text a bit. Let me just go around and change out the size of the text right here. So once I go around, you can change around the horizontal offset over here, just like this as well, and change around the warp right here, just like this. Let me just go around and copy and paste out the content right here, just like this, and you can see that this is the warp effect right here. So this is what you have. Apart from that, you can go around, change around the edge size right here, as you can see, just like this. Then you can go around, change around the center size over here as well, and then change around the horizontal offset over here, just like this as well. And you can change around the vertical offset over here, just like this as well. Apart from that, you can go around onto angular offset, and then you can see that it is more like an angle right here instead of circular. Apart from that, you can see that there's different sort of warp that you can select, like this middle warp right here. So that allows you to go around, and it's more like middle. So you can go around and select out different warp, as you can see right here, make it circular and so forth, just like this as well. And you can also go for lower warp right here, just like this, and that is what you have. So if I were to go around onto edge and so forth, we can see that depending on the warp type you select, like upper, middle or lower, and the warp changes out accordingly. And that is how you can utilize the text warp effect inside of Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.